Amaphoyisa bophe umculi owaziwa kakhulu ngomculo welinkompo ngamacala ahlukene okusolwa kuwo okuyicala lokuzama ukubulala esigamekweni okubukwa ukuthi senzeka ngenyanga edlule. Amaphoyisa athi wadubula umshayeli wemonto okwathi umgibeli wasala elimele eladana ePulukwane.
The officer who was arresting him, he just told me that there is counts of attempted murder or something like that, which is yet to be properly investigated. You know, my client they called us this morning. In fact, we got called about 2 weeks ago, and we went to the police, and they told us there's nothing. Like, we were called by police to come to the police, present ourselves there. We did.
Amaphoyisa ashaqene emonto yomsolo ukuze aphenye kabanzi ummeli wakhe uthi akakalifundi kahle idokodo lakhe.
How is that there's 2 counts of attempted murder, which is something we will have to look at. We'll have to check the charge sheet. We'll have to check what is actually happening. But from now, I can't really comment much on the issue because I'm not privy to the contents of the docket.
Kusenjalo lomculi ubeseqashiwe emcimbini eminingi ukuze anandise ngesikhathi samaholide kaKhisimuzi.